Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to change time zones in Google Meet. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On the Google Meet website, as you can see here, we have all the options here for us to choose. We can either start a new meeting, enter a code or link, and the button join. This is the main buttons that we will use. From here, we have three options in creating a meet. Create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. And from there, what we're going to do is to press schedule in Google Calendar. And from here, we can see many options or many things for us to fill up. And as you can see here, the word time zone is very visible for us. So simply press time zones, and from there, you can choose on what time zones you want your meet to be scheduled as. Let's say for instance Ireland time. There we go. Or you can also use current time zone for your options. Press OK, and from here you can just simply type in whatever you want, and then after that you can simply save, and that schedule or the meeting will be scheduled at Ireland time. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.